Fish on, fish on. Get him in there, brother. Oh, hold on. Let me reel in my thing so I can net him for you. Never know. You never know.
It's a goldfish, dog. It's a goldfish.
Nice, dude. It's a good one. It's a good one. It's a good one. Ain't no babies up in this deep water. You got him, cousin? Ling? Ling?
I don't know. No.
He's not pulling? That thing dry? I don't know, man. No such thing as small fish down here right now. It's deep water. Net.
There it is. Oh, it's a ling.
Told you it was a ling, dude.
He's a baby. Ah, hey, little
Baby ling. Baby ling.
Let's let him go right into the water, dog. Cut him off? Yeah, put him down. Hi, Lingy. Look at that little baby.
It's a baby ling. It's so cute.
I'm just gonna take a picture and send her back.
Alright.
Oh, you want that grub tail though? I got your uncle. He in the cooler.
Got your daddy.
He was like, yeah, I was just coming to see my dad.
Good one.
Okay,
You got your leg, dog.
yeah. Take him off.
Alright. Fat boy. Oh shit, I don't have my gloves. Where's the gloves at?
Yeah, you use your pliers.
Oh, that's a good idea. Okay. Oh shit, it has to be on the fucking floor.
Hey, that little guy.
Alright, buddy. Alright, buddy. Here we go.
Perfect. That's it.
Ah!
Come on.
Hold on, dude.
Put him on
I'll
the
get
boat.
you. I'll get you. Hold on. I got you. Hold on. Chill out. Chill out for a second. It's an octopus. That hook is.
There you go.
Shit. It's on there.
There it
There it
is.
goes.
Thanks, Elmo.
Now go get yourself a legal size one.
I know, right?
You. Good job.
Alright. Go back.
Yeah. Gotta jig it, Jake. Gotta jig it.
No, it's, my grub tail is working.
Yeah, that too.
Or whatever that. Oh no, it's not. It's still working. Grub tail's gone.
Oh, I'm getting nibble. Okay, nibble.
I got something too. What the fuck was that?
Probably just took a damn shrimp. What is that? Is that a buoy? What is that? Oh, it's a crab pot.
What?
Crab pot.
Oh, someone's crap pot?
Yeah. You wanna go get it? Let's get it. There's a seal. I'm gonna swim my swim bait over here to my side. Huh? Nope, you're on. Oh! Did you just let go? Ah, you didn't set it, Jay. Snag? Yeah. The hell you snag? You're not even jigging it. I was about to email that guy, Ishman Fish. So, hey man, we're paying for a boat. You want to come? He's pretty cool. He always responds. Release the bail when you pull. Pull hard and then release the bail.
I don't know what you're trying to do.
What's that? The boat?
Huh?
The boat?
No, it's just a snag. I'm just holding on there.
Oh shit.
No, I wanted it to let go.
No, I think I got a fucking hit.
You might.
Nope. Did it snap off or?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh! Oh! Ah, just let him take it. I don't know why I didn't let him take it.
Go Warriors.
You done, Jay? Alright.
Let's count on, Mom.
Fish on, fish on! Oh, big one! Is he running?
Yeah.
Nice! We'll gaff him if you know he's big enough. Small?
Yeah, you're right. I might be
You're getting them, but they like that grub though. You know what I mean?
You like the bigger one. Funny, 'cause it's lighter than a bass.
Big as the saltwater. You fool. Put this bad boy down. Let me get your fish down.
There's something legal here, finally.
Come on, man. Gaff or net? Gaff or net?
Nah.
Let's see. Gaff or net? Gaff
Let me see. Hold
or
on.
net?
So fast.
Gaff or net? Gaff? Hey man, you're working harder than I was. Mine was light, dude. I got 2 of them. Come on, Jiggy. Small one?
Yeah.
Alright. Net it is. Woo!
Shit.
Working. I think it's just your poles.
Yeah, it's a soft hole.
You got the light setup going on. Is that your Nasky?
Yeah.
Nice. There he is. Oh, it's rockfish. Rockfish?
Yeah, that's legal.
Yeah, boy.
Hey, is that shit?
It's like a whatchamacallit? Gopher.
Okay, cool.
Gopher rock. Nice. That's legal. There's no size limit. Woo. Good one now. I got it. Nice Gopher rockfish right there. Take a breather. Oh, they got your top hook though. Whoa. I know, right?
No, that did that splash.
Oh, was it?
No, fucking.
That's
this guy's legal, right?
Yeah, there's no size limit for this gopher.
This little guy.
That's a big size, dude. It's fucking like pound and a half.
That's like a bass right there, doesn't it?
Pound and a half right there, dog. Good one.
Good times.
Dude. Ah, you got teeth, dude.
Right.
What is this?
I don't know. Throw on the gloves, dude.
They're not supposed to have teeth. Dude, what is this, dude? What is you? Oh, I'm about to hook him again. Do you know what it is, G? Fuck, I'm just hooking myself all over the place here.
Get that glove on, dog.
I know, right? Man. I think that's a gopher rockfish, though. Seriously. Oh yeah, man. Let's get a measure. Damn, I can't believe I fooled myself. Let's get a measure. Till you got almost. I'll give you 14 inches.